Have you ever really stopped and wondered what's going on inside your phone or your laptop? Today, we're going to peel back the case and introduce you to the Invisible Team, this incredible miniature city of workers that powers pretty much your entire digital life. You know, we press a button and poof, magic just seems to happen. But here's the thing, it's not magic at all. It's actually an incredibly complex operation run by millions, sometimes even billions, of tiny specialized workers. So who are these guys, and what exactly are their jobs? You know, the best way to wrap your head around a circuit board is to think of it as a bustling metropolis. Every single component has a very specific job, and if just one of them decides to go on break, the entire city can grind to a halt. So let's meet some of the key players. All right, first up, let's meet the most fundamental team of all, the power and energy crew. Without these guys, nothing works. They're basically the power plant and the entire electrical grid for our tiny city. Okay, so this component here is the capacitor. A great way to think of it is like a water tower for electricity. It stores a little bit of energy, but it can release it almost instantly. Its main gig is to filter the current and smooth out any bumps or ripples in the power supply, making sure there's a steady, reliable flow for the whole city. So you can tell what a capacitor does by checking its specs. Think of it as its ID card. You'll see ratings for volts and farads, and that tells you how much electrical pressure and capacity it can handle. For instance, if you see one rated for 360 volts, whew, that's a heavy hitter. That thing's built for high-power stuff, like the main power supply, not the delicate little neighborhoods where the processor lives. Okay, so you might be thinking, isn't that just a battery? Well, not quite. A battery is like the city's main power plant. It stores a ton of energy for the long haul. A capacitor, on the other hand, is that local water tower. It holds just enough juice to respond instantly to sudden demands and keep the whole grid nice and stable. Now, with all that power flowing around, you are definitely going to need some security. So let's meet the safety patrol. These are the components that act as traffic cops, bodyguards, and sometimes even as martyrs to protect the entire system from disaster. Take a look at this. This component here made the ultimate sacrifice. This is a blown fuse. It was standing guard, and when a dangerous power surge came roaring through, it did its one and only job. It broke. And the aftermath is pretty dramatic. As the source material describes it, the internal wire is scattered, it's burned. See, this isn't just a failure. It was a deliberate act of self-destruction to save the rest of the city from total catastrophe. So here's how that heroic act goes down. Normally, power just flows right through a tiny wire inside it. But if a dangerous surge hits, that little wire instantly melts, breaking the circuit completely. The connection is cut, the power stops, and all the more valuable components are saved from taking the hit. Another key member of the safety patrol is the diode. Its job is super simple but absolutely vital. It's a one-way street for electricity. Current can flow from one end, the anode, to the other, the cathode, but it absolutely cannot go backwards. This prevents all kinds of electrical traffic jams and protects really sensitive components. All right, so we've got power, and we've got safety. Now let's meet the crew that does the actual thinking. These are the brains and the timekeepers of our tiny city. You see this little component? This is the crystal oscillator, and you can think of it as the metronome, or maybe the steady, relentless heartbeat of the entire device. It creates this incredibly precise, rhythmic pulse that keeps every other component working in perfect sync. Without this constant tick-tock, you just have chaos. And just how fast is that heartbeat? Well, this one is rated for 25 megahertz. To put that in perspective, that's 25 million ticks every single second. The staggering speed of all modern electronics really starts with this one tiny, consistent pulse. It's incredible. So if the oscillator is the heartbeat, then transistors and their cousins, MOSFETs, well, they're the brain cells, the neurons. They are microscopic, ultra-fast switches. And by turning on and off billions of times per second, they form the logic gates that perform every single calculation your device makes. A modern processor packs billions of them into a space smaller than your thumbnail. Okay, so we've met the stars of the show, right? The brains, the power. But even the biggest star needs a support crew. So now, let's meet the unsung heroes, the ones working behind the scenes to make everything else possible. Meet the heatsink. Now, I know, it might just look like a boring piece of metal, but really, it's like a personal air conditioner for the city's hardest working components. It sits right on top of chips that get incredibly hot, and it literally pulls that damaging heat away, preventing a total meltdown. And don't ever underestimate its importance. The source material puts it about as bluntly as possible. Without these heat sinks, everything will burn out. Processors, voltage regulators, you name it, they all need one to survive. It's absolutely non-negotiable. Now, while we're talking about essential parts, it's really important to remember this tiny city has some dangerous neighborhoods. There is some serious power running through these devices. And the source gives a very direct warning about certain parts, like this high-tension inductor right here. The warning is simple. Never touch this component. I'm serious, it can hold a really dangerous charge even when a device is turned off and unplugged. So that's a crucial safety reminder for anyone who gets curious enough to peek inside. Finally, how does everybody talk to each other and to the outside world? Well, they do it through connectors. From the power jack that brings in all the electricity, to the USB port that's juggling power and data, to the tiny little pins that link different parts of the city together, these are the handshakes and the highways of the circuit board. So let's step back for a second. We've met the power crew, the safety patrol, the brains, and the support staff. And when you put them all together, you don't just see a bunch of individual workers anymore. You start to see a perfectly synchronized living city. And that is really the main takeaway. Every single part, from the biggest processor to the tiniest little capacitor, has a vital role. They all work together in this perfectly timed, incredibly complex, high-speed collaboration to make the city run, creating that seamless experience you have every day. It is truly amazing when you think about it. So the next time you power on your phone or your laptop or your TV, just take a second. Now that you've met the team working tirelessly inside, what are you going to see them building? It's not just an image on a screen, it's the product of billions of tiny jobs, all done perfectly, just for you. And that is the hidden team that powers our world.